Hello guys, in this video we try to see the difference between a small profit and big profit. I understand you say yes, someone can have big profit, someone has a small. So what's the aim of this video? The aim of this video is to show you how the people trade, and because some people they always have small profits, this will not make them winners at the end of the year. Understand that in order to become a winner at the end of the year, you should make good profits in some trades. Okay? So, I will make a difference between two traders, and I will show you through this explanation, and you will understand better what I mean. Okay? So, let's say we take $33. This is where two people has bought. As I told you before, I always buy at the end of the day when you have a green candlestick, and this is called the buy. Let's say here we have 33 is the stop loss, just an example, okay? And we have the first trader, okay, and the second trader. We try to see a trend. Let's say the stock has been going up, okay, and then after that it stops and is going down. Now, let's say the price here is $65. This is where the stops and then it's going down. Now the first trader, okay, from 35 it goes, let's say here, and he exits the trade. He exits the trade at $37. Now when he exits the trade, this is because of many reasons. This trader, he doesn't know how to follow the trend. He is a beginner, and he thinks that maybe $200 is too much money, because maybe he has never seen $200, although these two traders have begun with 35. Now the second trader has more experience, he has a strategy, he knows what he is doing, and then he exits here. Now he exits, let's say, at $60. Now $60 from 35, he has made, okay, he has made $2,500, and this guy, he has made only $200. So what is the difference? Now when you see these two traders, okay, so the idea is you should never take small profits. Small profits is wrong. If the trend continues, and I have explained in other videos how to know if the trade is a loser for true. I have explained before this, and please check the videos before, and you will see how we put these trades into a portfolio and we follow them. If the trend continues to go up, it means that you have done a mistake. And if you continue to do small profits like $200, $100, you will not be a good trader. A good trader, he should make good profits. This is a good profit compared to the first one. It means if you do $200 in some trades, this guy has only made one trade. If you compare this with this, what does it mean? That this guy, 200, 5 times, 5 times, 12 times and a half. It means you should, in general, you should do 12 trades of $200. Let's say the last one is 250. You should do 12 trades of $200 in order to reach one trade of the other good guy. Do you see here the difference between $2,500 in one trade and $200 in one trade? So this trader number 2 will be a winner at the end of the year. Most of the time, this will become a loser. It's just because of the way you trade. Now, in order that the first one becomes the same as the second one, he should have education, have more strategies, practice more, and let the profit run. And this is what makes the difference. And if you are looking at what I say, you think that this is just something into a general education. No, this is the heart of trading. People, they think that trading is something very, very complex, that the only professional trader or traders who make money, they understand this big complex thing. But in real, trading is very, very simple. If you just follow some instructions, you will be making money as any professional trader. This because you understand the heart of trading. As I showed you here, making big profits, if the trend continues to go up, you should follow them until they are dead, until they dry. Now you tell me, how do you know? There are techniques. It shows you how to know that the trend is dry and will never go up. At least in 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, it will never go up. There are techniques that the people use, and this is what I teach. Okay? So try to follow what I say. If you have an objection or you have another idea or you don't understand, please either send me a private message or please comment on this video. Thank you very much.